Yeah. Yeah. Just come in the back. Yeah, I'm recording these birds. Looks like they're screwing.
I can't hear you, brother.
Just come in.
I'm coming.
You're gonna ruin my film. I don't get. They just look like they're scrapping. Now looks like they're screwing.
Hey, Shady.
Look at the birds right over here, man. See the birds right there? Watch them, watch them, watch them. No, don't scare them.
Brother, having sex?
Yeah, I know. That's why I started filming it.
Even birds do doggy style.
That's what I was saying, man. I was like, what the hell? They're just doing it right here.
Gets on, man. You just get up or what?
No, I've been up for a while. Also, I was sitting here. They look like they're scrapping at first, man. So I started recording, and all of a sudden, it looks like they're screwing now.
They got a little nest in there, I think. Is that ever cute? You should take one of those, if you see one of those worms laying around, like those on your wall there, caterpillars, throw it up there.